Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a bitzee. See? And if you, in case you guys are interested in this, it's actually at Walmart. If you can find it, you should really get it because it's really fun. So, there's this, and there's like different ones. If you give them love, you can actually have a new ones, and that's like the legendary one, I think. So let's open this up. See, you have to take care of it. And see if it needs food. So all you have to do is to swipe carefully, just like that. And touch that. See if it needs food. Yep, it needs food. So you see, let me see if this one has the heart. Anyway, if you want to change your pet, you can actually, oh look, I made it dance. Let's see if you really need to pet more closely. And then open it back. Something's going on. What's happening? Let's see what is happening here. Sometimes it's a little hard to switch it. Press that. And then I got multiple pets. So I got this. It's a bunny, I think. I got a cat, a bluebird, a turtle, a snail, and this, I think it's a fish, but I'm gonna go with the snail. So all you need to do, if you want it to, see, I told you there's like this thing here. So let's try to make it dance. Let's put it over here. Let's see. The bunny needs some attention. It needs to feed right here. You know, you always need to feed your pets. And as you can see, the affection here is where I gave it this much love, just for feeding it. And when you get to the top, I think you get a present, or you get a new pet. Over here is just the trash can. So you know, guys, if you actually don't take care of your pets, they will die and they'll leave and they'll go in this trash can. That's why I can't go in it. So if I have over here, this is settings to make it tap higher, louder, but I like it to be that. Because sometimes this thing is really loud. And then you also, and I think that's it. Look, I gave affection here. See? That's how much I gave it. And you ready, guys? I'm gonna switch to the cat. And let's see, actually let's go into the snail and let's close the box and see what it says. It says, bye. Hold on, let me just open this, guys. Sorry if it's a little dark. Just need to open this because I have one hand. Okay. So you just need to make it fall asleep, you just have to tap on its head, and pretty soon it'll just fall asleep. But actually, guys, do you want to see something? Those are LED lights, and that is how the light goes on. And this is just a snail. Snail is really cute. I think this one's my favorite. But look, see, this one's a newborn, so that's why it doesn't have any affection. Anyway, guys, I will see you again. So, bye!